Imagine getting directions, translating languages, taking photos, answering questions, and accessing AI assistants all without pulling out your phone. Smart AI glasses are transforming the way we interact with technology, but with so many models on the market, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Some offer impressive AI features but compromise on comfort, while others fall short in battery life, camera quality, or overall performance. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best smart AI glasses that combine cutting-edge artificial intelligence, premium design, crystal clear audio, powerful cameras, and exceptional value for your money. We'll compare AI capabilities, display technology, camera performance, battery life, comfort, connectivity, and overall features to help you choose the perfect pair for your lifestyle. Whether you're creating content, traveling, navigating hands-free, translating conversations, or simply want the latest in wearable technology, these smart AI glasses are designed to make everyday life smarter, faster, and more convenient. Be sure to watch until the end because our number 1 pick delivers the perfect combination of innovation, performance, and value, and it might not be the one you expect. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and buying options. Now, let's step into the future and get started. Number 1. Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer Smart AI Glasses. The Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer Smart AI Glasses combine the iconic Ray-Ban design with Meta's AI-powered smart technology. Featuring a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, open-ear speakers, Meta AI voice assistant, and hands-free photo and video recording, these smart glasses let you capture everyday moments while staying connected without constantly reaching for your phone. Pros. Stylish, authentic Ray-Ban Wayfarer design that looks like regular sunglasses. Built-in 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera captures high-quality photos and videos hands-free. Excellent open-ear speakers provide surprisingly rich audio while keeping you aware of your surroundings. 5-microphone array delivers clear voice pickup for calls and recordings. Hands-free voice commands with Meta AI. Real-time AI assistance for information, object recognition, and contextual questions. Live translation between supported languages without Wi-Fi. Easy Facebook and Instagram live streaming directly from the glasses. Seamless Bluetooth calling, messaging, and music playback. Comfortable all-day fit with premium Ray-Ban build quality. Includes a stylish charging case that provides multiple additional charges. Privacy LED indicator alerts others whenever the camera is recording. Cons. Battery life is relatively short during heavy camera or AI use. Many Meta AI features are region-dependent and may not be available everywhere. Requires the Meta View app for setup and advanced features. Camera quality is good but cannot replace a flagship smartphone camera. Open-ear speakers offer less bass and privacy than earbuds in noisy environments. Premium price compared to standard sunglasses. Final verdict. The Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer Smart AI glasses are among the best smart glasses currently available, successfully blending classic Ray-Ban styling with genuinely useful technology. The hands-free camera, surprisingly good open-ear audio, Meta AI integration, voice commands, and social media features make them an excellent choice for creators, travelers, and anyone who wants convenient wearable technology without sacrificing style. If you're looking for the most polished AI smart glasses on the market, the Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer is one of the strongest options available. Number 2. Meta Ray-Ban Gen 2 Smart AI Glasses. The Meta Ray-Ban Gen 2 Smart AI glasses combine the timeless Ray-Ban design with powerful AI features, making them one of the most advanced wearable devices on the market. Equipped with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, 3K Ultra HD video recording, improved 8-hour battery life, Meta AI, and high-quality open-ear speakers, they let you capture moments, stay connected, and access information completely hands-free. Designed for everyday wear, these smart glasses look like regular Ray-Bans while offering advanced voice commands, live translation, hands-free calling, music playback, and AI assistance. Whether you're creating content, traveling, commuting, or staying connected without constantly reaching for your phone, the Meta Ray-Ban Gen 2 delivers a seamless and stylish smart glasses experience. Pros. Improved battery life with up to 8 hours of moderate use. Charging case provides up to 48 hours of additional battery life. High-quality 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Records videos in 3K Ultra HD for sharper, more detailed footage. Excellent open-ear speakers with rich and natural sound. Powerful Meta AI for voice commands, object recognition, reminders, and instant answers. Real-time language translation supports multiple languages. Hands-free calling and messaging with excellent microphone noise reduction. Stylish, authentic Ray-Ban design suitable for everyday wear. Comfortable, lightweight build at only 51.3 grams. Privacy controls and recording LED indicator for added security. Cons. Meta AI features require a compatible smartphone and internet connection. Some AI features may not be available in every country.
Open-ear speakers can leak audio in quiet environments. Premium price compared to regular smart audio glasses. Camera still cannot fully replace a flagship smartphone camera. Final verdict. The Meta Ray-Ban Gen 2 takes everything that made the original model popular and improves it with longer battery life, sharper 3K video recording, enhanced AI capabilities, and better overall performance. Its combination of stylish design, excellent camera quality, useful voice features, and comfortable everyday wear makes it one of the best smart AI glasses available today. If you're looking for premium wearable technology that blends seamlessly into daily life while offering hands-free photography, music, communication, and AI assistance, the Meta Ray-Ban Gen 2 is an outstanding choice and one of the top smart glasses you can buy. Number 3. XREAL 1S AR/XR glasses. The XREAL 1S AR/XR glasses are a premium pair of next-generation augmented reality glasses built for immersive entertainment, gaming, and productivity. Powered by XREAL's custom X1 spatial computing chip, they project a massive virtual display of up to 500 inches, support native 3DOF head tracking, Real 3D technology, and feature Bose-tuned open-ear audio for a cinematic experience almost anywhere. Unlike traditional VR headsets, the XREAL 1S keeps a lightweight sunglasses-style design while offering an impressive combination of portability and high-end AR capabilities. Whether you're watching movies during a flight, gaming on a Steam Deck, working with an ultra-wide virtual monitor, or enjoying spatial 3D content, these glasses deliver a highly immersive experience without completely isolating you from your surroundings. Pros. Massive virtual display of up to 500 inches creates a true personal theater experience. Native 3DOS spatial display works without requiring additional apps or complicated setup. Powered by the dedicated XREAL X1 chip for extremely low 3 millisecond motion-to-photon latency. Supports 120 Hz refresh rate in 3DOF mode for exceptionally smooth visuals. Crisp 1080p OLED display per eye delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast. World's first Real 3D mode instantly converts supported content into immersive 3D display. Multiple viewing modes including 0DOF, 3DOF, ultra-wide, side view, and Real 3D. Excellent compatibility with USB-C DisplayPort devices including iPhone 16, 17, Android phones, Steam Deck, ROG Ally, laptops, tablets, and PCs. Individually factory color-calibrated displays provide accurate and natural color reproduction. Bose-engineered open-ear speakers produce surprisingly rich spatial audio. TUV Rhineland certification ensures low blue light, flicker-free viewing, and excellent eye comfort. Lightweight design makes long gaming or movie sessions far more comfortable than bulky VR headsets. On-device controls allow quick adjustment of brightness, color temperature, screen distance, and viewing modes. Cons. Requires a USB-C DisplayPort DP Alt Mode compatible device for full functionality. No built-in battery, it draws power directly from the connected device. 52-degree field of view is smaller than high-end VR headsets. Some advanced spatial features require optional XREAL accessories like the XREAL Eye. Open-ear speakers may leak audio in quiet public environments. Premium pricing places it above many portable display alternatives. Best performance depends on the capabilities of the connected device. Final verdict. The XREAL 1S AR/XR glasses deliver an impressive blend of portability, immersive visuals, and advanced AR technology. With a massive virtual display, native 3DOF tracking, Real 3D support, and Bose-tuned audio, they provide an excellent experience for gaming, movies, and productivity on the go. Although they require a compatible USB-C DisplayPort device and aren't a standalone VR headset, their lightweight design, sharp OLED displays, and versatile viewing modes make them one of the best premium AR glasses currently available today. If you're looking for premium wearable technology that blends seamlessly into daily life while offering hands-free photography, music, communication, and AI assistance, the XREAL 1S is an outstanding choice and one of the top smart glasses you can buy.
Number 4. Armor Smart Safety Glasses. The Armor Smart Safety Glasses combine certified workplace eye protection with modern smart features, making them an excellent choice for professionals, DIY enthusiasts, and outdoor workers. Featuring an ANSI Z87.1 certified TR90 frame, UV400 polarized adaptive lenses, Bluetooth connectivity, and open-ear speakers with a built-in microphone, these glasses provide both safety and convenience without sacrificing comfort. Designed for all-day use, the lightweight TR90 frame meets US, Canadian, and European safety standards, while allowing users to make hands-free calls, stream music, and interact with AI assistants. Whether you're working on a construction site, in a workshop, or outdoors, the Armor Smart Safety Glasses help you stay protected and connected at the same time. Pros. ANSI Z87.1 certified safety protection for professional workplace use. Award-winning Red Dot Design Award 2026 winner. Lightweight and durable TR90 frame for all-day comfort. Bluetooth connectivity for wireless music and phone calls. Built-in open-ear speakers keep you aware of your surroundings. Integrated microphone supports clear hands-free communication. UV400 polarized adaptive lenses reduce glare and protect your eyes. Comfortable semi-rimless design with excellent visibility. Compatible with AI voice assistants through Bluetooth-connected smartphones. Includes carrying case, charging cable, cleaning cloth, safety strap, and accessories. Cons. No built-in camera for photos or video recording. requires regular charging to use smart audio features. Open-ear speakers may not perform well in very noisy environments. Smart functions depend on a Bluetooth-connected smartphone. Limited advanced AI features compared to premium smart glasses. Final verdict. The Armor Smart Safety Glasses offer an excellent combination of certified eye protection and practical smart features for everyday work environments. Their lightweight design, ANSI Z87.1 safety certification, Bluetooth connectivity, and open-ear audio system make them a valuable upgrade over traditional safety glasses, especially for professionals who frequently take calls or listen to audio while working. Although they don't include advanced features like cameras or built-in AI processing found in premium smart glasses, they excel at their primary purpose, keeping you safe while improving convenience on the job. If you're looking for durable, comfortable, and feature-rich smart safety glasses for work or outdoor use, the Armor Smart Safety Glasses are a reliable and worthwhile investment. Number 5. RayNeo Air 3S Pro AR/XR Glasses. The RayNeo Air 3S Pro AR/XR glasses are premium wearable display glasses designed to deliver a true personal theater experience wherever you go. Featuring an impressive 201-inch virtual display, 120Hz refresh rate, 1200 nit micro OLED display, and HuView 2.0 visual technology, these glasses provide stunning picture quality for movies, gaming, and productivity. Compatible with devices like the iPhone 15, 16, 17, Android smartphones, Mac, Steam Deck, Nintendo Switch 2, and PS5, they offer a versatile plug-and-play solution for entertainment on the move. Built for long viewing sessions, the Air 3S Pro also focuses heavily on eye comfort with TUV-certified low blue light protection, flicker-free technology, and high-frequency PWM dimming. Combined with built-in speakers, lightweight construction, and multiple viewing modes, these glasses are ideal for travelers, gamers, and professionals who want a portable large-screen experience without carrying a monitor or projector. Pros: ultra-bright 1200 nit micro OLED display, one of the brightest AR displays available. Hue 201-inch virtual screen creates an immersive personal theater experience. 120Hz refresh rate delivers smooth gaming and video playback. HuView 2.0 display technology produces rich colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast. Excellent 200,000:1 contrast ratio with 98% DCI-P3 color coverage. 6 optimized viewing modes for movies, gaming, productivity, and everyday use. TUV certified low blue light and flicker-free display for improved eye comfort. Lightweight design at only 76 grams, making it comfortable for extended sessions. Built-in speakers provide immersive audio without requiring headphones. Broad compatibility with smartphones, laptops, gaming consoles, and handheld gaming devices. Supports prescription lens inserts for nearsighted and astigmatic users. Cons: requires a compatible USB-C device for operation. No built-in battery, powered by the connected device. Lacks advanced AI spatial tracking found in some competing models. Not water resistant. Premium price may not suit casual users. Final verdict. The RayNeo Air 3S Pro stands out as one of the best wearable display glasses for entertainment and gaming. Its exceptionally bright 1200 nit micro OLED display, excellent color accuracy, 120Hz refresh rate, and massive 201-inch virtual screen create a viewing experience that rivals much larger displays while remaining incredibly portable. Whether you're streaming movies, gaming on a Steam Deck or PS5, or using it as a private display for work, the visual quality is consistently impressive. Although it isn't designed to replace a full-featured AR headset with advanced spatial computing, it excels as a premium personal display. The lightweight design, eye comfort certifications, wide device compatibility, and simple plug-and-play setup make it an excellent choice for travelers, gamers, content creators, and professionals. If you're looking for one of the best portable AR display glasses currently available, the RayNeo Air 3S Pro is a fantastic investment.